What's up, everybody? Life of Corn here, back with another motovlog. We're about to go to my friend's car meet right there. Car meet right there. Night set ceremony. It's a Beamer meet, and since I don't got the 335 anymore, we're taking the S1000. It's hosted by my friend Alex. He's the president of Natives NorCal. Really cool guy. He has a really good relationship with the ceremony and Westlake Police. So hopefully no one blows this event. Oops, don't even have the engine on. Ignition. Now we're gonna head over to ceremony. Just got a car wash or a bike wash. So the thing is soaked. I gotta get on the freeway, man, and air dry this baby. Oh, there's Holly Smog. That's where Andrew works. That's a cool view. I've never actually been this way before. Very few times. I never come to this mall, so there's the parking lot. I think I can see people up there already gathering. That's a car meet with a bike. That's right there. Oh, yep, there's all the cars. Let's go around them like a dick. There's M2. Oh, security kicking us out already, huh? Wow, they put the barricade up and everything. That's a clean M2. I was trying to find Alex, bro. Oh, maybe he's over here now. Okay, this is where it's at. That thing's clean too. The S2K. Let's take a look at some of these bikes real quick. For sure. That's the R6. I had 3 of those. I miss them. This is a very first gen. Slightly different on the front. Oh, I had the same thing happen right there too on my 2015. It's so annoying. And the red one, R6, that was the first bike I had. It got stolen. What was that? Oh, I got the 360 cam. It's crazy looking. That angle. Nice right hand drive too. That's so clean. It's automatic, but it's still super sick. This fitting in is wild. It's a 370Z. I'm gonna follow him. Oh, yup. This cat over here has got a same S1K as me. I think he's out here shooting a motovlog too. I'm gonna ask him real quick, see if I could follow his page. Hey, you out here shooting a motovlog also? Yep. Hey, what's your page? Let me follow you. Yeah. Oh, snap. That's what's up. Yeah, Cornelio. Danny, nice to meet you officially. Oh shit, I follow you. You follow Bane's Tuning also? Yeah. Did he tune your car? He did. That was cool. We already follow each other. Small world. You know, when you both got those first gen S1Ks, you You follow all of them. You can't go wrong with these either. Yes, sir. The stick. The hood is. I gotta find Alex, man. I don't know where he's at. Like the Recaro seat in here. This thing was tough. Yeah, M3. That's funny. This thing sounds tough also. I think a BMW? It is. That's cool. It's different. Oh yeah. 415Z. That thing sounds rowdy as hell too. Bro, they just keep on coming in. Look at this weed machine. Oh, I was just talking with him a few minutes ago. The other guy with the S1K? Danny's is like over there next to the orange bike. That one's mine. Yeah. So many. They just keep coming in. It goes crazy. Suspension like the old SV650s. I forget what they call that, but it's different. Almost looks like a stormtrooper bike. He's got a big screen. That's cool.
The second gen?
Yeah.
I'm a Ducati mechanic, so I know my shit.
Okay. Yeah, I had a 2016 model that I sold during the pandemic, and I just picked that one up. So.
No, this one is nicer.
Yeah, you know, so the 2016 one, it feels like you're driving a computer. That one, I'm 35. I'm old. I like that it feels
Exactly.
it feels mechanical and visceral.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. People don't get that. It's not about the speed. It's about the connection to the road.
Totally. Hey, you have a good day, man.
You too.
This thing's cool. I'm the odd man out. I like this thing. Ready to head out, bro?
Head on, bro.
All right, man. Ride safe. Have fun. Oh, there's the police. Time to get the fuck out of here. Time. Oh yeah, they're coming in from all angles. Ooh, that's good slick. God damn. I almost went down. Well, that was pretty cool. Totally random. You know, I saw the flyer like an hour before the show started.